Heat treating. Types, functions, and applications. This video will take an in-depth look at heat treating. Key topics include heat treating function, types of heat treatment processes, applications and benefits of heat treating, and much more. Chapter 1. Understanding the role of heat treating. Defining heat treating. The mechanics behind heat treating. Principles of heat treatment. Steps in heat treating metals. The heat treatment process typically consists of 3 primary steps. The heating phase. The soaking phase. The cooling phase. The goals of heat treating. Heat treatment achieves several key objectives, including Chapter 2. What are the types of heat treatment processes? The different types of heat treatment processes are as follows. Carbizing treatment process. Nitriding treatment process. Hardening and tempering treatment process. Tempering temperatures chart. Annealing and stress relief treatment process. Cryogenics treatment process. Normalizing treatment process. Cyaniding treatment process. Case hardening treatment process. Aluminum heat treatment process. Brazing treatment process. Induction heat treatment process. Heat treating steel. Annealing steel heat treatment. Normalizing steel heat treatment. Hardening steel heat treatment. Tempering steel heat treatment. Heat treating stainless steel. Austenitic stainless steel heat treatment process. Ferritic stainless steel heat treatment process. Martensitic stainless steel heat treatment process. Chapter 3. What are the applications and benefits of heat treating? Applications of heat treating. Additionally, heat treatment is applied in several other areas, including benefits of heat treating. Heat treating can Heat treating can alter or enhance the properties of a metal, including heat treatment enhances workability and machinability. Heat treatment increases wear resistance and durability. Heat treatment boosts strength and toughness. Heat treatment improves magnetic properties. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right heat treating service providers for your needs.